Alright, I'm here at my buddy John's. He's over here somewhere. And I got my new camera. I'm going to zoom in on you, John. There you go. Alright. Yeah, I got this new camera and I'm trying it out. I'm over here. I had to pick up some oil cans for Mike. There's heating oil in there for his garage. So, you know, a lot of you guys, you know, whenever I'm at John's house, you know, we just have a glance at what he has. But, and you always ask him, what kind of car was that? What kind of truck was that? So, let's go in here and see what you have. Where you at, John? What year is this Studebaker?
47.
This here is a 1947 Studebaker, and it's
13,000 miles.
13,000 original miles because it was a farm truck. And John doesn't drive it up and down the streets, but he does take it to shows. You know what? Here we go. Like I said, it's a new camera, and I'm just learning how to use it. So, if I find a mirror, I'll show you what kind of camera this is. But he's got an antique lawnmower back there. That's pretty cool. And then here's all the parts that I fixed for him. Let me go around the end here. Let me go over here. All right, bear with me, because I'm learning how to use this thing. All right, he's got, let's take a look inside. All right. I don't think we can see it. There it is there. I don't know if you could read it, because I'm only looking at a little 1-inch screen. But he says it's 13,000 miles on it. 14, looks like he said 14. So he has that. Wow. It's amazing how the door closes. Alright, now what he's got under here is Oakland. I don't know if he wants to take that off. That might be too much trouble. But here's some of his engines. There's a Bulldog, and this here's an Alamo. I actually sold him this Alamo. It's a funny story about this Alamo. I put it on eBay, and he didn't know it was me that was selling it, and he wound up buying it. So I delivered it for him. All right. Yeah. Hey, John, is it too much trouble to lift this tarp on this Oakland?
No.
All right, I'm going to get him to open this for us. We don't have to take the whole thing off, just so we can get a peek.
Yeah.
There you go. All right. Let's see what it looks like here. All right, that's enough, John. What is this, 1930?
Yeah.
1930 Oakland. Let's see how this thing works in dark. This is real dark in here, but and this is original. These are original mohair seats. How many miles on the Oakland, John?
It's got to be over 100,000. It says 90-some thousand, so I'm thinking it's 100.
190, yeah. So here's the original
The
inspection
battery
sticker.
has been done twice, I think, on it.
Let me see if I can get a better look at it. Oakland, that was the predecessor to Pontiac, right?
Yeah, yep. Yeah, they created Pontiac in 26 as a companion car.
Pretty cool. He wants to repaint it. You know, it looks like it has some original paint here. He wants to redo the interior and the paint, but it's got a lot of stuff going on. All right, don't break nothing. All right, I'm gonna take a walk back here, John, into your other shed. See what's going on. Your workshop. He's got a wood shop over. He's an excellent woodworker. He's got a lot of stuff on. He's got his own little village, and this here is this garage is where he does all his woodwork. got the door open for me already. He's got a bandsaw. He got bandsaws here and braided arm saw, big braided arm. Not, I call it the braided arm saw. It's a combination chop saw. What else he got here? He's got these card catalogs from the library. Keeps all the stuff in it. They're pretty cool. He's got a pretty cool setup here. He has grinders and his sanders. His drill press and vise. Alright, let's see what else he got here. I got the okay to walk around. He's got, he collects bells too. I don't know if that's this one over here making a noise. This looks like a train bell, I guess. This is train house here. And here he's got this big whole garage is just one big train setup. I don't think I'm going to ask him to open that up though. Here's his backyard. His backyard here, he had trouble growing grass, so he bought the AstroTurf. It used to be a football field. The grass that was on a college football field. Oh, is it open?
Yeah.
All right. You don't have to get the stuff running, but
Turn some lights on.
oh, let's take a quick look at his setup here. It's cool. He got a wrecked airplane up there. Let me see if I can zoom in. There you go. Wrecked airplane. What's that? Is that supposed to be a landing strip or an airport up here, John?
Yeah. Yep. Airplanes and helicopters.
Got water towers. Another water tower. Got a lot of tracks too. You got the high track way up there, and then there's these middle tracks. This must be the winter scene. Everything gets covered with snow.
Yeah, that's the winter. It's supposed to be 4 seasons, but still a work in process. Fall.
Oh. He's got trains all over the place here. Look at them all. This is the station. Look at this car here has some police cars on it, cores. Let's see what we got here, McDonald's. And here's a whole collection of old Hess trucks. I mean, really old ones. And these lanterns, real train lanterns here. There's a sign, there's an original sign there. Cover lenses, that's probably during the war. You know, that's not something made up, that's a real McCoy there. What's the story on this sign, John? This dim out area.
Oh, that was for World War II. I think they used to have to dim your headlights out and stuff.
Right, in certain areas.
And stuff, yeah. Yeah, I found that up in an old garage.
Huh, that's pretty cool. And then what you got up here? More lanterns. And here's these fire bombs they used to throw to put out the fires and stuff. Yeah, man, he got a lot of cool shit here. A lot of cool stuff here. All right, lock it up, John. Watch your step. You mind if we show him your jukebox, John?
No.
Maybe we'll find somebody
Yeah.
to buy it. John wants to sell this jukebox now because he just bought a newer one like mine. I don't know if you guys remember seeing mine. But mine's a 1953 Seaberg, and he's waiting for a 1952 Seaberg. So this one here, what year is this, John? You know, like a 65 or something?
66, I think.
66 Rockola. And it works, it runs fine.
Yep.
I'd asked him to put it on there, but we can't do that. So I think he wants about $500 for it. Like I say, it's functional, works and everything. If you're in the Jersey area, you know, leave me a message and we'll get in touch with him if somebody's interested. Here's something cool too. It's a player piano, but there's a story behind that, right, John?
Yeah, there was the woman won it on The Price is Right.
Won it on The Price is Right.
80s.
Bob Barker.
Yep.
And it
Player.
it's a player. You just put the stuff in there, it'll just play itself. Pretty cool. And like I said, are you gonna play it, John?
That's a big nightlight.
Oh, is it? Yeah, that's cool. Huh. I shut off, John. I don't know if I get a strike. Yeah, that's what the song is there, was it?
Mali Kaliki Maka.
Molly, oh. So it is something that I might get a strike for, I don't know. All right. That's pretty cool. All right, let's go back outside. He's got a sauna bath in here, sauna, everything. Oh, here's the door here. Oh, you know, he's got a creek right in his backyard. Let me see if I can walk over here without falling in. He says it's not that deep. He says about 6 to 10 foot. But it's pretty cool. He's got a little screened-in porch down there and dock. Got a nice little piece of heaven here. I'm going to see how he's making out with his tractor. You know, like even today it's not even getting above 20. So I can't blame him if he didn't work on anything. Let's go in this little shed here. It's actually a garage. Yeah, it don't look like he did anything. You haven't done any work on anything, huh, John?
No, I've taken that off because I want to get that transmission freed up. The gear shift and stuff. I'm gonna dump something down there and let it sit for a couple of weeks.
Yeah, I haven't done anything either. You know, it's just too cold.
Yeah.
You know, you just don't feel like even going outside to do anything. All right. This is a little Maytag. Huh. All right. Yeah, I thought I'd give you guys a little peek at what he's got here, because every time I'm down here, everybody's asking, what's that, you know, and not that I showed you very much now, but like I said, I got this new camera. You know what? I think I'll try and find a mirror. You got a mirror on that truck? Show these guys what this little camera is. Here's my little taco. Oh, it's a small mirror. I thought he was going to have big truck mirrors. I'm going to go around this one. Yeah, this new camera I got here is called an OSMO Pocket 3. It's real tiny. Here you go. And it's got a gimbal on it, you know, so if I turn it, you see how I'm turning it? The top is going slow because over the years, you know, that was my biggest complaint. Everybody pissing and moaning about, you know, you move the camera too fast. You know, but I always move it slow, but, you know, that's just the way it came out. But with this one here, it's got the gimbal on there built in, and it should help it a little bit, so. All right. All right, so there you go. A little bit of John's world. How we guys say? Enough of this? All right. See you later.
Right there.